banana protein chocolate bite. So this is a really good recipe to make if you've got some overripe bananas at home and you want to get the kids involved in the kitchen. So what we're going to do is first get 2 bananas. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, a tablespoon of pure maple syrup, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cacao powder, half a scoop of the Happy Way vegan chocolate protein powder, and we're also going to need 1 to 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Now first we're going to make our chocolate sauce. So this is what we're going to be dipping our banana in. So we need to mix these ingredients, so our protein powder, cacao powder, maple syrup and coconut oil together until it creates a nice thick chocolate sauce. We're then going to slice up our bananas, so peel your bananas and slice them up. And then we're going to grab 2 pieces of our sliced banana, pop a little bit of almond butter in between that, pop 1/2 of it into the chocolate and then pop it in our tray, which is going to then go into the freezer to set for about 2 hours.